Hello everyone, ON6UU. I've got here the MFT40, which I have made. It's a kit and it's supplied by EA3 Golf Charlie Yankee. What I've done, I've connected it to this Heathkit transceiver. It's an HW101, which produces on itself 100 watts by two 6164s which are in that cabinet, and I've connected the MFT to this tuner. This tuner is connected to the back of the Heathkit, and the Heathkit is connected to the antenna. The Heathkit is going to serve as a linear amplifier for the MFT40. The Heathkit has a very easy entry on a relay, which is directly coupled to the reception, and which does also the function transceive receive. So the coaxial cable which is connected to the Heathkit is coming to that relay. Then an extra cable which is here and which is still loose because this is a test. The cable comes from the microphone and is the push to talk, which is needed to be supplied to the Heathkit. So the MFT is master in this case, and when you push to talk on the MFT, the Heathkit also goes on air. This can be easily done by this simple microphone, and as you will see when I whistle, I've got some 70-80 watts. So, which is not bad. I'm going to clean this a bit up, but the test works. So this is what I've done. The antenna connector here. This is the antenna entry, which goes to the MFT. The cable here is on the back where a spare pins connector was. This spare connector goes here to that relay, which you can see there close to the coil. And then I have the push to talk, which is here. It's now it's now a bit loose. It's a test which I do here. And that cable goes here through the HW101 and connects there to the microphone connector. I'm going to try to give it some more light. So the red cable that you can see there is going to the microphone connector and is also soldered to the here to the ground, and that's it. There's nothing more to it. The MFT I have done an alignment for the MFT. Normally the MFT gives some 3 watts, and I have reduced it to 1 watt. This 1 watt produces now, as you have seen, 100 watts via the Heathkit transceiver. Okay, well, I will make a note of maybe another film on YouTube, and then I will mark some things down on the schematic of the HW101, and then I will show that on the schedule of the 101. But the coaxial cable has to arrive on pin 4, and you have to connect the braid to a good ground. of the HW101. And then the push to talk, well, it's the same. I've shown it to you. Connect it to your QRP transceiver where you have push to talk, and then go with it to the push to talk side of the antenna, of the microphone connector of the HW101. So the 101 can serve as a linear amplifier. I've proven my point, and I'm very pleased with this. So this 101 is going to serve as a linear amplifier. When I don't want HW101 to serve as a linear amplifier, I still can use it as a normal transceiver, because there's nothing changed to it. I did not change anything to it except for the additional cables. But those additional cables, when you don't use it, you don't use them, they don't serve anything. So it's quite safe to do it, but do an alignment and give the 101 only 1 watt entry, because maybe that more is too much. As you see, the 1 watt already produces 100 watts, almost 100 watts. So, thank you for watching. This was ON6UU, and well, that's the rest of the Heathkit, which I have. And yes, it's a bit of a mess in the shack for the moment. 73s, all the best from this end. ON6UU, bye bye.